Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Elphaba Doll and Dress and Press Wicked update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined the game, and if you want to find the Elphaba Doll, you can go to the Lana Salon, and then here you will see this doll, and if you want to use it, just tap on that. And unfortunately guys, it only has two characters. The first one is Lana, and the second one is the Scarlet Doll. So it's like a prank, but I hope that the admin can add this Elphaba Doll because it looks so cool. So yeah, when you click on this doll, you will see two characters that you can choose, Scarlet and also Lana. I don't see the Elphaba character. I hope that they can add it. And okay guys, that's how we can get the Elphaba Doll in Trust and Press Wicked update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.